Alright, here we go. Wait a minute. I hope my... Oh my gosh. It's already going crazy. This is a oh my gosh, that's loud. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's a crash. That's crazy. Oh, sorry. Oh! Somebody jerked out of the couch. That was a good one. Oh, vial. There's vials in there. Oh, monkeys. Oh, flashing lights. What is this? This is like, oh! It's like Planet of the Apes or something. Oh, there's blood on the floor. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's a technique. There's just bodies on the floor. Oh, that's so subtle but scary. Got me! They got me! I was looking at this and they got me. Cold storage, please be cold in here. Yes, it's cold. They're the Arthur hands, Arthur fists. Oh, I don't know if they're good or not. If they're real. Oh, there it is! Why me? No! It wasn't even close to me. I'm just in a scared mood right now. Oh, E.T. phone home. Ooh.
The breach cannot be contained.
Oh, half body.
Believe in a God. Now's the time to pray.
Oh, look at
This is your base command house speaking.
what are human beings? Or
The day of the Lord shall come like
listen.
to win with great noise. The heavenly bodies will be dissolved in the earth.
Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. All right. That one wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. It didn't smell that bad either. They're just monkeys or something.